AI is no longer a future concept, it is a present-day force multiplier. But most businesses are still using it for small tasks instead of strategic scaling. Today, I'm showing you the 4 levels of AI transformation, from replacing manual roles to duplicating executive authority. It starts with a single realization. Stop hiring for robot work today. I canceled a job posting today. An AI agent took the role instead. Why? We were about to hire a junior admin for 3,000 ringgit a month. Their only job, moving data from emails into a spreadsheet. But then I realized, asking a human to do that is a waste of human potential. So I built an agent. It monitors the inbox, extracts the data, updates the database, and alerts the team. It works 24/7. It never makes typos. And it costs $5 or equivalent of 20 ringgit a month only. This is the Agentic Economy. If your team is drowning in busy work, you aren't understaffed, you are under-automated. Stop hiring people to do robot work. Hire humans for strategy. I broke down the exact architecture of this agent. You can copy the workflow from the link in my bio. I share practical AI strategies every week. Like and follow to stay ahead of the curve. Thank you. See you in next video. Automating a single role saves thousands in overhead, but the real unlock happens when you automate your company's collective memory. If your team is still digging through folders for answers, you don't have a people problem. You have a data accessibility problem. Imagine an employee that has memorized every PDF, every contract, and every handbook in your company, and they answer your questions in 0 seconds. How much time does your team waste digging through SharePoint or Google Drive looking for that one policy clause? Studies show it is nearly 20% of their work week. We solve this by building an internal rec system or a custom GPT. It is a secure chatbot that only knows your data. It doesn't hallucinate, it cites its sources. You ask, what is our travel policy for Europe? It answers instantly, citing the specific PDF page. This is a custom knowledge base. It turns your documents into answers instantly. No more searching, just finding. Remember to subscribe, like, and share to upgrade your corporate knowledge management. See you in next video. Thanks. When your infrastructure is smart, your team gains back hours of their day. But as a founder or executive, your time is still the ultimate bottleneck. What if you could be in the boardroom and on social media at the same time? This is where we move from efficiency to true scale. I can't be in 2 places at once, but my digital twin can. Right now, I'm generating this video while I'm actually focusing on high-level strategy for my firm. Welcome to the era of executive scaling. I'm building my digital IP using AI avatars to ensure my message never stops moving, even when I do. For SMEs and startups, time is your scarcest resource. With HeyGen, you can record once and personally message 50 different clients. It's personal branding automation at its finest. You get visual consistency, 24/7 presence, and the ability to scale your expertise without the burnout. This isn't just a video, it's a force multiplier for your business. Stop trading time for content. Like and subscribe if you're ready to automate your authority, and share this with a founder who needs to be in 2 places at once. Alright, see you in the next AI briefing. Most people see these as cool tools, but a tool without a system is just a toy. To move from a handful of apps to a high-performance organization, you need a foundation built on operational excellence. Here is how we build that at Enterprise AI. Most AI consultants sell you tools. At Enterprise AI, we build intelligence infrastructures. But let me be clear, infrastructure isn't just hardware. It is your process. It is your people. It is your governance. Buying a Ferrari doesn't make you a race car driver. You need the training to drive it. We don't sell software. We are a training and consultation firm. We teach your team how to apply operational excellence to AI. We build the mindset that makes the tools actually work. Anyone can sign up for ChatGPT, Gemini, or other LLMs. But only enterprise AI clients know how to integrate it into an operational excellence workflow to actually cut costs. We build the strategy. Your team builds the future. I am Kelvirn Wong, founder of Enterprise AI. Don't just buy the tool, master the method. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. I will provide more practical AI strategies in the next video. Thank you. The future belongs to those who master the method, not just the software. If you're ready to build this infrastructure for your own firm, subscribe, like, and share my channel. Let's stop trading time for content and start building your future. See you in next AI briefing.